How to fix Roblox crash mobile on iPhone. So, the first step is by clearing the cache of your phone. To do that, you just simply go to Settings and then go to General, go to iPhone Storage, and look for Roblox. So if you're gonna see Roblox, you may just simply search for Roblox right here, and then for iPhone users, you may click on Offload App right here, and click on Offload App right here once again. So what this will do is that it will free up your space as well as clear the cache of your iPhone. For Android users, you may go to your settings, search for the apps, look for Roblox, and then make sure to click on Clear Cache. So you may then reinstall the app and open Roblox. And if it still um, crashes, then what you're going to do now is to delete the app by clicking on delete right here, and then delete and reinstall the app once again. So that's it. That's how you can fix Roblox Crash mobile on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.